An observer found the angle of elevation of the top of the tree to be 27 degrees. After moving 10 meters closer on the same vertical and horizontal plane as the tree, the angle of elevation becomes 54 degrees. Find the height of the tree. A. 8.65 meters, B. 7.53 meters, C. 7.02 meters, or D. 8.09 meters. So for solution, i-drawing muna natin uli yung problem. Sabi, merong isang observer, nakita niya yung top of the tree, yung elevation nun. So, merong isang puno. Sample, ito yung puno. Ayan. Tapos merong observer. Sabihin natin nandito yung observer mo. Nasa same vertical and horizontal plane siya. So yung angle of elevation from the observer hanggang dito sa top ng puno ay 27 degree. After moving closer, so lumapit siya doon sa puno, 10 meters. So ito is 10 meters. Ito ay 10 meters. Ang angle of elevation na is 54 degree. Ang tanong, gaano daw kataas yung puno? So find the height of the tree. Sabihin natin yung height ng puno is equal to h. So ito yung pinapahanap. Since 54 degree na ito, 180 yung buo. So 180 less 54. This is 126 degree. Kung 126 to, 126 degree plus 27 degree, 180 plus dito. Ito naman yung angle na ito. This will be 180 degree minus 126 minus 27. So 27 degree. Dahil 27 degree ito, yung opposite niya is 10 meters. Tapos ito ay 27 degree din. So yung opposite niya is 10 meters din. Ngayon kapag tinignan natin itong triangle na ito, ito. Sabihin natin this is A, B, and C. So in triangle ABC, ito yun, of 54 degree. This is the height. Ito naman ay 10 meters. Makukuha natin si H. Simple yung sine ng angle is equal to opposite over hypotenuse. In this case, sa hypotenuse mo is 10, the angle is 54 degree. At yung opposite side niya, yun yung H. So you have sine 54 degree is equal to opposite, yun yung H, over hypotenuse, yun yung 10 meters. So your H is equal to 10 sine 54 degree. Kaya ang H natin ay 10 sine 54 degree equal to 8.09 meters. The answer is D, 8.09 meters.